Okay. So some of these problems you're going to look at the diagram. It's going to have all kinds of stuff on it that we're not using, and that's because I'm taking an IV problem that's multiple steps because a lot of IV problems have two or three parts, and I'm using the diagram and stuff just to get one part for right now. So eventually you'll probably see this problem again, and it'll have two or three pieces to it because that's a very very common IV thing. So this wants me to know CA. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a question mark on it right away so I can see it. And then I'm going to notice, hopefully, that I'm using probably this triangle right here and not the whole thing. And this is going to be important because in this problem, you would do this and then you would keep going. So I'm going to hit some colors here. So yellow, yellow, blue, blue. Now the other two are green, but I see there's nothing in either one of them. So maybe I highlight them, maybe I don't. To stay consistent, I'll highlight them. And I have right here a set of blue ones where I have both numbers. That's always really good. So I'm going to do two fractions here. I am going to do a blue fraction. I try to put the fraction that I have both things for first. It doesn't really matter. I guess it just makes me feel better if I have a fraction right away that is full, has all the numbers in it. It's kind of telling me I'm on my way to solving it. So I need to do it that way. It's just a suggestion. So I've got everything in the right spot. I'll put an X on there. And now it works the same as all the rest of these problems too. So hopefully at this point, if you're here, you're feeling like these are doable problems. So we're going to get X equals whatever that thing is right there. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. 11 times sine of 105. And that's not what I want to do either. Alpha y equals enter. 11 times. I do suggest that you put these in fractions all the time. It's just going to, you don't have to, but I think it's going to help you avoid mistakes. And the calculator does a fraction anyway, so why not use it to its fullest ability? All right, so I got that. So 25.141. I don't believe any of these say what to round to. No, so 25.14. Okay, so I think that's pretty straightforward. Like I said, then it would have a second part where you'd have to find an angle using law of cosines, which we're going to learn next. So be ready.